Dear students, now let us see question number 3 of exercise 11.2. In this question, draw a circle of radius 3 cm. Take 2 points P and Q on one of each extended diameter, each at a distance of 7 cm from each center. Draw tangents to the circle from these 2 points P and Q. For that, first of all, let us draw a circle of 3 centimeter. Take measure of 3 centimeter and draw a circle of 3 centimeter with the help of your rounder. Remember this thing, always use rounder scale to construct these constructions. This way, you'll draw your circle of radius 3 centimeter. Then, if I draw a diameter here, then I need to extend it. But how much? If it is O, then 7 centimeter from its center. I am having one point. Suppose this point is P point, and this side 7 centimeter from the center. This point is P point and this point is Q point. Now I need to construct two tangents from P point and two tangents from Q point. For that, you will follow the steps of that first question's construction of exercise 11.2 only. Draw a perpendicular bisector of line segment OP. If you draw perpendicular bisector of this, then you will get one midpoint M. With the help of this M as center and OM as radius, draw a circle of radius OM this way. So this way you draw a circle. So you will get two intersecting point. Now Q point is taken. So we'll write it as A and B and draw line segment AP and PB. They are tangents from point P. Now same steps for OQ. Again for OQ line segment, let us draw perpendicular bisector of line segment OQ. Suppose this midpoint is N. So write it as N point. Now draw a circle of radius ON and take center as N and draw this circle this way. Now you are getting two more intersecting point to this main circle of radius 3 centimeter and give it name as X and Y. Then and draw QX and QY, that are the tangents from point Q. Now measure them and write down the measure of this tangent. And this time you will try construction steps yourself as per the first question.